How to quickly undo typing by shaking your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. While you are typing and if you want to undo your last input such as deleting it or a typing mistake etc., then you can simply pick your phone up firstly and then shake it gently but noticeably. A undo typing pop-up will appear. So tap on the undo option in the pop-up that appears and your last action will be reversed. As you can see here, the text has been deleted from my screen. And if the undo pop-up does not appear, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here navigate to accessibility option and tap on it, and then tap on the touch option. Further, go ahead and navigate to shake to undo option and make sure the toggle button for shake to undo is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable the shake to undo toggle button. So this is how you can quickly undo typing by shaking your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.